to look at our Math IXL, Section V, Lesson 1, Exponents with Integer Basis. And I'm just going to work through a couple of these. 3 squared means 3 times 3, so the answer there would be 9. 4 cubed means 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 to the third, the 4 is the base, the 3 is the exponent. The exponent tells you how many times to multiply the base. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Ten squared is 100. I'm going to work until I get to a certain kind. Okay, now this is the one I wanted to look at. When I am looking at ones where I'm given the base and I am given the answer, but I don't know the exponent, I need to figure out how many times to multiply 3 to get to 9. So 3 times 3, well, that's just twice, and that's 9. So here my R would be 2 because 3 squared equals 9. So R equals 2. This one's going to take a little bit of intuition, and I will work through a couple more. 0 to the fourth, that means 0 times 0 times 0 times 0, which is 0. 1 to the third means 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. Another one where we're looking for that exponent. So I am going to do 10 to the v equals 1,000. And I'm just going to go 10 times 10, well, that's 100, times 10 would be 1,000. So that's 1, 2, 3. So 10 to the third equals 1,000. So v equals 3. So I'm going to put a 3 right there. Now, I don't know if you noticed this, but with our powers of 10, if I do 10 times 10, that gives me 100. And then 100 times 10 gives me 1,000. Do you notice that the number of zeros equals how many powers there are? So I need to do 1,000 times 10, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 10,000. So 10 to the v equals 10,000. I did 1, 2, 3, 4. So v equals 4. And look how many zeros I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's always going to happen with your powers of 10. So this one would be just 2. 10 times 10, also 2 zeros. And then it's going to continue with the same type of questions.